Sandali na lang tayo. Okay, ano ba, nakikita nyo yung PowerPoint.
Yes po, sir.
Okay, so tuloy natin. Ito yung mga example. Pag sinabing monumental, tao, pangyayari yun. Yung mga binanggit natin kanina. Example. Monument, okay, museum, monumental yan. Antiquarian naman yun. Sorry. Monumental pala. Tao, pangyayari. Monumento. Great events, heroic moments, no? Great achievements, triumph, monumental. Ito, antiquarian naman ay heritage, no? Old documents, yan. Mga old objects, items. You see, uh, tapos critical history, mahirap gawin. No? Critical history, ano yan eh. Ano ba yung mahirap gawin? Yung analysis, no? Yung interpretation, challenges, no? Trials, no? Mahirap yan. Eh. Heroism, no? Pagpapakabayani, mahirap gawin yun. Heroism. Ah, uh, pagka uh, ano no yung pabamay ano no yung yung nationalism no mahirap yan no? Activism mahirap yan no? Ito yung mga ano no ito yung mga ano ng example no ng critical history. So when we do critical history, no, we analyze, we interpret, we evaluate the past, we look for biases, no, yung causes, no, effects, no. Tinitingnan natin yung mga different angles, no. nung isang information. Okay. Yun yung ginagawa natin. No? We critically examine. No? Yun yung dapat natin gawin. No? When we deal with critical history. Tell the truth. No? Mahirap gawin yun, di ba? Yung sabihin natin yung totoo, di ba? Accepting realities, no? Mahirap yun. We have to be critical. No? Ayun, ano, yung mga bagay-bagay na may kinalaman, no, sa critical history. Okay, so there you go, no, yung ating 3 types of history. Monumental, antiquarian, and critical. So sa midterm assessment nyo, merong mga item na may kinalaman sa 3 types of history. Parang ano lang naman din siya, parang multiple choice. So you have to identify the item, no, whether it is monumental, antiquarian, or critical. Bawa, yung heroism, di ba? Ano ba siya? Monumental, antiquarian, or critical? Artifacts, ano ba siya? Monumental, antiquarian, or critical? Ganon bagay. So ito, no, ito yung 3 types of history na, again, no, go back, no, dun sa pinakauna, no, kung if we will be able to practice, no, yung critical history, then madali na nating maintindihan to, di ba? Why we tend to remember things. And of course, we would be able to find a great reason to remember things. And then we'll be able to understand, no, that not everything about the past is useful. Alam din natin, no, yung bagay na ganyan. And then of course, we will be able to come up with a decision, a collective decision as a people. Ayan. And then alam na natin, no, kung bakit living man yan, no? Bakit kailangan gamitin ng kasaysayan, or how we are supposed to use history. Malalaman natin, no? Mariremind tayo. No? Kung di man natin ito ma-absorb ng gusto, mariremind tayo, no? From time to time. Na monumental history, antiquarian history, and critical history. So sa lahat ng topic natin, i-apply natin, no, yung idea nitong 3 types of history. Plus yung mga discussion natin sa short introduction to history. Ang next meeting, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay meaning and relevance of history, authenticity and credibility of information, and then example. I-apply natin dun sa example yung authenticity, credibility, primary source, secondary source, yung relevance, no, ng history. Titingnan natin. Okay, so sandali lang, 50 kayo eh. Dito nakalagay ay 45, 6, 7, 8, 50 nga kayo. Pero si ano ba nandito? Si 50 eh. So andito na si Ogmer, di ba? Si Kenshin, tama ba?
Sir po.
Oo, andito na siya. Okay, so panghuli. No? Sandali lang, ha? Medyo mabagal yung Ayan, okay na, andito ka na. Okay. So, ayun, questions, tanong, bago tayo mag-iwalay, clarification. Question, clarification. Ano? So alam niyo na ano yung, di ba, yung memories, no? Good, bad memories, no? Eh, naalala natin yan. Of course, pag naalala natin yan, dapat alam nating i-celebrate, no? Yung ano, no? Yung learning, no? Ah, di ba, kapag natututo tayo sa lessons of the past, di ba, masaya tayo, eh. Di ba? Halimbawa, no? Katulad nung nangyari sa ibang bansa, di ba? One point in time, ay lubog sila. Then ngayon ay maganda na nangyayari sa bansa nila. So masaya sila, di ba? Same thing with us, no? Kung we are able to extricate ourselves, no, from this current situation, no, that we are having, no, as a people, eh, magiging masaya tayo, di ba? So yung good memories, bad memories, eh, pinapahalagaan natin. And then of course, we also remember, no, those people na kahit wala na ngayon, no, mga heroic figures, no, ay kasama pa rin naman natin kasi we commemorate, we try to commemorate these people, or naalala natin yung event, no, isang mahalagang event na nangyayari sa mga Pilipino. So we remember those memories, no? Most especially the good memories. Um, that is why meron pa tayong isang i-share sa inyo tungkol sa memories. Dali lang, ha? Okay. Actually, na-share ko pa ba sa inyo or stop, ano na, may nakapresent pa ba? Wala na eh, di ba? Okay. Nga. So, okay, so para ma-recall natin yung mga memories na yan. Kung meron mang bad memories dyan, dapat we could actually fix, no, yung problem, no, yung issue, no, regarding this uh, uh, experience, no? So dapat maayos natin, no? Tulad nung kung paano natin diniscuss yung how, for example, antiquarian history would be able to fix the problems of monumental history, and how critical history would be able to fix, no, the problem of antiquarian history. So kailangan no, maayos natin ang lahat, no, ng mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa atin sa kasaysayan. So it's important to fix these things, no, about our situation. So,
when you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in rivers, and the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lights will guide you home, and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you too love to let it go. But if you never try, you'll never know. Just watch your world. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. And I will try to fix you. Tears stream down your face when you lose something you cannot replace. Tears stream down your face tears stream down your face. I promise you I'll learn from your mistakes. Tears stream down your face lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. And I will try to fix you.
What an amazing audience. Thank you so much. Thanks for sitting in the back up there, everybody. Thanks for giving us that amazing performance to be seen. Goodbye and good night.
Okay. Screenshot tayo. Paki-open ang camera. So alam niyo na ayusin, ha? Alam na natin yung ayusin, di ba? Fix. Hindi fixer, ha? Yung mga fixer, di ba? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you for joining me today. We will see each other next, hindi, teka muna, ano ba yun? Friday?
Friday po.
Naku,
I think po sir, wala pong class next week. Nag-declare po ng
wala palang pasok sa Friday. Ngayon
Opo.
ay Friday the 13th, di ba?
Apa, tapos Friday the 20th.
Sa next
yung
Friday
holiday.
naman, Friday the 20th, di ba?
Opo.
Yun,
Nag-holiday po doon.
holiday yan. Sige, so sa ano na tayo? 27.
27 na po. Opo.
Chapter 1 tayo. Okay, so sige, thank you. GC na lang, ha? Ban, ha?
Yes po sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po, sir.